Hello, my people. Now, good morning. Now, good afternoon. Now, good evening. Welcome to my new page. Talk your problem. Advise me, advise you. My brothers and sisters, this one na Untouchable Mama na dey talk so. E get this video where I see the thing tire me. E tire me. Wetin Buhari talk. I pity for our people. I pity for that country. E go better. Na we still date it next tomorrow. They say e go better. The time wey small, the time wey me small. Now they talk and say e go better, everything go better, everything go good. Me, I not see anyone wey good. I not see the one way better. My brothers and sisters, how can a whole president open him mouth to talk such a words? My brothers and sisters, I will put the video more than just listen. Wait, more than listen to Buhari. Wait till our Buhari talk. A whole president go open him mouth say anybody wey dem see with AK-47 make dem kpemera. E no say make dem arrest dem. E no say make dem arrest dem. Say make dem just kpemera because dem not supposed to carry AK-47. Una know now. Na me know my people. Dem go back. Everybody know. As Buhari don't give the instruction now. Say anybody wey dem see with AK-47 make dem kpemera. All this our soldier, our gbogbo, our army dem. Since Buhari don't give them go ahead, they no even need to ask you where you for see yourself. He say make dem just dey kpeme dem. Anybody wanna see, say wanna kpeme dem. A whole president open him mouth, talk such a words come out for him mouth. E no even shame. E no even talk say wetin dey talk sef. Your people, you say make dem kpeme dem. You no say make dem arrest dem. Make dem give dem the I no know. Since when me did this abroad, I never hear such a words come out for even for the president or for the governor mouth, something like that. Very heavy. E not even heavy Buhari. E not even heavy now. E just talk am. Because they not care about anybody. How you tell we fair no say our army, our soldier, our police, our all these people where they wear uniform. We fair no say they no even they ask question before they take the action. Talk let of say Buhari don't give them go ahead. Anybody you see with AK-47, you are free to kpemera. Even though say just hold on, or maybe he say make you kpeme dem. How that country go take good? How e go take move forward? Person wey really care for the citizen of the country wey dey, a whole president like that, e no fit talk that kind words come out. E go dey heavy am to talk come out. Now no see here abroad for here, if dem dey do anything like protest, dem wan fight for their right, they no dey come and say anybody wanna see mona kpeme dem. If they see say they talk to them, say they no hear, they'll say those one wey wan misbehave, maybe if they want distress something, they'll say make they arrest them. That's what they talk am. They no dey say make they kpeme dem. Buhari say anyone wanna see mona kpeme dem because they're not supposed to carry AK-47. People they hungry, people want fight for their rights. Instead of you to come out, may you address them well, talk to them, wetin good. No, you want put fire to fire, bomber to bomber. This one na the president wey we get for our country. This one na person wey wan lead us. This one na person wey dey lead us, wey no fit talk for something nicely, wey no fit talk wetin go enter person brain. You tell those people where they wear cloth, say see wetin dem go do. Since you don't tell them say make them go ahead. Even though say you no even tell them say defend the do am. But he don't talk and come out for a man say okay, anyone wanna see, wanna dey kpeme dem o. Wanna see the country where we dey. Nigeria is a Zoom. When they talk say na Zoom, even Zoom even better pass sef, no be lie. Na only person wey never go Zoom na go talk say no, Nigeria no be Zoom. If you reach Zoom, you see light dey. Zoom better pass our country. No be lie o, na my country. Zoom better pass. E just the bad leaders wey we get, make dem sweep dem comot, throw away everything because dem no know their left and right. Dem no know their left and right. Dem dey come abroad with their eye open, dem dey see everything. Dem no wetin dey see for here, dem no fit carry am go home, make dem take am take do something. No concern dem. Make you chop your own, make I chop my own, na dem dey for our own. How you go say anybody wey dem see with AK-47, you no fit say as a president say make dem dey arrest dem? The best, make dem dey arrest dem. You say make dem just dey kpeme dem. They are still human being, no matter how. Na person na dem be. Na una na cause all the problem wey dey for our country. Una wey be bad leader, na cause am. Because like say the country good, nobody for dey carry AK-47. Nobody for dey misbehave. They respect everything wey una say make dem dey do. Because una no even dey respect people wey dey the country. Why dem go respect una? Is the problem. Na una be the problem. Bad leaders wey we get, na dem na be the problem wey we get. Instead of you to sit down, put ear for ground, hear wetin the citizens dey tell you, see wetin dem want, make you do am for dem. No, you no wan hear. You wan do your own. Anybody wey dem see with AK-47, make dem kpeme dem. That means na be war. War and war na go start. Na war na. Because na you put the law. My brothers and sisters, I no too much get wetin I wan talk. I go show una wetin e talk. People don still see the video. When I see am, the thing heavy me. How a whole president go open mouth talk such a words come out? You no even shame. You no even think say people go laugh you or people go talk say which kind useless and human being be this one wey dey talk so? You no get respect for another person life. No be say dem belle full na make dem dey do wetin dem dey do. Dem want make you hear their voice. Buhari no care to hear anybody voice. He wan do wetin dey in mind. I pity for people wey still dey home. I pity for them. Because once dem talk, dem say make dem dey kpeme dem. Dem say make dem. It's very bad. A country wey say democracy dey, you don't need to say such a words. People dey suffer, they dey hungry. You have to listen to them. Open your ear. Make you take listen. Hear wetin dem dey talk. Because they no care to listen. Their own dey break dem eat. Poor people dem no go see food eat. Wetin concern agbo with overload? Na dem dey do. If you see food eat, na you dey your own. If you no see, na you dey your own. Muhammad Buhari, you do well. Since you don give power to power again. Say anybody wey dem see, make dem dey kpeme dem. You are a good president. Na so dem say dey address something. Maybe I pray make dem see for your pikin hand. One or your nephew, make dem see for a hand. Because you say anyone wey dem see for anybody wey dem see, make dem dey kpeme dem. See the kind law wey Buhari put. I fear who no fear my president Muhammad Buhari. I fear who no fear am. You no address issue as a president. You come out come talk rubbish. Your mumu e too much. Your mumu. You say make dem dey fight theirself. That one you use am me. Make dem dey fight theirself. No be say you come out come put peace. Talk to people. No. What una need, una tell me. No be that one you come out. You talk another thing. My brothers and sisters, na so I talk my own reach o. I pity for people wey still dey back home. I pity for them. That country, no way. All these people, they no wipe them comot. No way we go take move forward. No way where that country will take better. Na my way they talk. It's my opinion. If you sit down, you look and you will know say na true. Since 90 gbogbo see country as it still be. Now we go even they pray make dem give us light. When Ghana get light, later we go say we be giant of Africa. Of wetin? Of mumu. That's why I talk my Irish. My brothers and sisters, me I play the video for una more na see am. Abeg more na help me share. More na not fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel also. Follow this my page. We go dey talk everything. We go dey advise ourselves for this page. Na me still get am. Na me still get the other untouchable mama normal one. Na me still get this one. Talk your own problem. Advise me, advise you. Get your opinion from other. Na me still get this one. So my brothers and sisters, remain blessed. One love. Happy weekend again. Wanna listen to our president.
4 hours meeting of the Security Council. That is Minister of Internal Affairs, Minister of Defense, Service Chiefs, Chief of Defense Staff, Inspector General of Police, and the rest of them. And nearly we gave them clear instructions. One thing that got to the press, which I read myself, was that anybody with AK-47 should be shot. Because AK-47 is supposed to be registered and is only given to security officials. We close the borders, for how many years? But the intelligence report I'm getting on a daily basis, those who are conducting the abduction, the killing and so on, still don't seem to be short of arms and ammunition. I see how they attacked police stations, killed the police, ransacked the armory and the magazine.